So today we're gonna do a little something here. I write a lot of short stories, and thousands of them I've written over the years, in the last 40 years. And I have a real good chair. Now, the bottom of my other chair, it's right here, right there. You can see it's got all kinds of adjustments. Really good. So, but this one, the chair isn't bad itself, but there's no adjustments on it, just up and down. So what had in my mind, since my other chair gave up the ghost, I tore it apart, kept the bottom, and I'm going to take this bottom off and try to put that bottom on here. And we'll see how that goes. Something that maybe anybody could do. In other words, I can revive my old chair. Bring her back to life, so to speak. Now, there's just 4 bolts here. That shouldn't be no problem. I might have to drill new holes. This is wood. And re-drill it for these bolts. There is grommets inside here that these bolts go into. But I'm hoping, I know this one is a little wider here, but I'll show you that in a minute anyway. I'm going to take this out. I guess this would kind of validate the warranty a little bit, but then, hell, the warranty's no good anyway. The chair's no good the way it is, so what's the difference? I just can't remember whether my other chair had spacers under it or not. I can't remember now. I could use these maybe. Oh yeah, I did. I remember now. Yeah, I think I got it somewhere. And spacers in here. I think I got it out in the shop. So the front ones, the back ones are a little bit longer. Now there's the old one. We'll set that aside. Yep, up there. Now, I'd like to see, this here's spacers on the front. I'd like to see what's underneath here. This is stapled on. I'll just, well, actually it's glued on. I'll just take it off so I can have a look at this wood underneath here. I stapled it back on after, if you like. My other chair had different, these grommets in here, you see. These got threads in them, they go into the wood. My other one had them all over the place, so for different chairs. So I was hoping this one had, but it doesn't. So I was going to see how this is going to fit. The only thing I got going for me here is that this one has different holes in it, so maybe we might be lucky. Well, I might get two in it. That's the front. This is the back. Boy, heavy thing. I wonder if I can figure this out to put it up here so it's a little bit more easy to work with. Maybe a chair underneath or something. So we got this. I drilled this hole out here a little bit bigger. And we're going to put that one in. I'm going to clean up my mess here. I vacuum it up a bit so I don't get it all over the floor. So, and see if we can get this bolt in there. Nope, wrong side. Tighten her up a bit. I used to have two real good solid ones in the front. What are you doing over there?
Moving furniture.
Here, I'll help you.
I got it.
My wife's trying to move a table here. So I got that on. And this is solid. I just got to put one in the front, but I just thought maybe before I get too carried away, we'll I'll try it out. See how it works first. Give her a try. I don't know. Might. Yeah. I don't see why it shouldn't work. But give her a try. Let's see what happens here. See how that works. Things now, I got my adjustments. I can bring it up, bring it forward. The other one wouldn't do that before. Now we got that. We got up and down. Just gotta bring it up a bit. That's about right. And the back lever goes back. The same thing. Here. And the middle lever goes up or down. Okay. There we go. Just get it set in the right spot and I won't have to adjust it. There. Took the bottom off my old chair because the other chair over here tilted down too far and you're always sliding off. So now I got the adjustments. I can do whatever I want. So I just got to put a couple more screws in, 2 screws into the front. I just did the 2 back just to test it out, just to make sure. So that's all set nice. Now we'll just tip her back up again. There. Makes it a little bit easier on the chair here. There we go. So we're just going to put a screw in here and a screw in there. So pre-drill it a little bit. I got some screws there. I'm just going to kind of makeshift here a bit. We're going to put one down in here and one over on that side. Be nice if I could just don't pre-drill it. Let's see. Let's see how that goes. No, okay. I didn't think so. Well, worth a try. All right, just. Yeah, let's see if I get this. There. That holder nice. Can't beat that. Do the same with the other side. Make a little hole just to get her started. That's the only problem with these darn drills. You can tighten them like this, but I don't really like them. The darn drills, it's hard to get these tight, and so there. I had another one somewhere. There we go. Put the hole down and see the steel here is a little bigger, so I'll just put a washer on it. And they got pretty good thick bottoms on these chairs, so there's no reason that to ever move. There. I think that should be all right. Now I got my chair fixed. Should be able to. I'm glad of that. As I say, the other chair, this here only got one adjustment right there. That's all it's got is this. This here just loosens the rock. I don't need that. But this one's got everything. Yeah. So, should be all set now. I like it. Took a cheap chair and made it into an expensive chair. All right, huh? Put her back where she's supposed to go. So, we're batting 1,000 here today. Got that all done. Looks pretty nice in there. Should be able to write some stories now. I made a bench in here. My sitting with my legs straight bothered me. So now I can just do whatever I like here. This is pretty nice. I like it. Check my email. Nothing but spam. Delete. Another spam. Delete. Another spam. Delete. Another spam. Delete. Another spam delete. I think 3/4 of my damn things in my computer these days is spam. This is nice now. I really like it. I'm not tilting right down. This is awesome. So, a little bit of work. Another project done. Now, I just got to clean up my mess. Which I can make it.